Good evening, guys. Hope you can see my screen and can you hear me, guys? Can you just give me a poll, yes or no? Ishika, check your network at your end. Good. Good evening, everybody. So, guys, just give me a poll. Did you complete my yesterday's homework? Yes or no? How many people completed my homework? A lot of people are saying yes. Out of 127, around 60 people have said yes. Only one person has said no. That means you people are doing my homework. Good. That's a good sign, guys. I think so. What was important yesterday was the code book, because I think so I explained very well to you people what was the problem statement, and we also started with the solution approach. Okay, and we covered 2 steps which is required. So I think so that is clear. Diksha, there is a file. Did you people go to the problem statement? Diksha, in the problem statement, Diksha, there is a URL. Click on that. You'll see that 90 MB file there. Did you get it? If you go and click here in this document, this URL is there. It's again a Google Drive. There are 2 Google Drives, guys. So when I click on this, guys, just see I'm opening the Google Drive for you people. Okay, and here you can see the Excel sheet. Is it clear, Diksha? I told you if you click it will not open, so you need to download that, Diksha. So you just right click it and here you see the download option. So everybody needs to download this data set. Is it clear? Okay, so I think so it's clear now. You need to right click all the files and say download. Again, global terror, right click, download. Indian terror, right click, download. This is the way you need to download all the files from your Google Drive. Guys, is this clear to everybody now? And there was one more link. Okay, this was the other link, bit.ly FOSS project 3 drive. And when I click on this, it opens this for me. All your important files will be present here. Okay, Excel sheet is not present here, guys. I'm not putting the Excel sheet. Rest of the files which are required for your project will be uploaded here. Okay, Diksha, you need to solve your problem. I cannot help it in your clicking of your link. Okay, is it clear? Now let's come to your solution approach. Okay, in the solution approach, guys, yesterday I took to the 2 steps for you people. The first was the analysis phase and second was the design phase. Okay, and I told you that after the analysis phase, what needs to be the output. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, and as a part of your design phase, that also I told you that the deliverable of this phase would be a wireframe document. And guys, I told you I have done both the phases for you, the analysis phase, and I have created the CSV file and given you. Okay, For the design phase, I have done that part and created what? The wireframe document to you. So once you people have completed the step 1 and step 2, guys, the next step now is the research and the learning phase. So today I'll take you to all the steps today, guys, the solution approach steps. The third step is research and learning phase. What do you mean by research and learning phase, guys? In this phase, you need to do a technical research. What do you mean by technical research, guys? After understanding the client expectations, you need to create what is known as how to do list. Okay? What you need to do is you need to create what? How to do list. And what this list will do, guys, you need to prepare this list, and it will be a technical list. And what is this technical list, guys? For example, according to the client expectation said how to run a script from Python from the command line or terminal. You remember, this was the first expectation of the client. Does anybody knows the answer for this? If your answer is no, guys, if you do not know how to run a script of Python from command line or terminal, what you need to do, guys? You need to Google and check. Okay? I'm trying to teach you the technique, guys. Okay? I'm not expecting an answer from you people. Okay? Musakir, I would request you, please ask the question which is relevant whatever topic I am teaching you people. Okay? And whenever I am teaching, guys, I'll request everybody to stop chatting with me. Whenever I tell you people, that time only you people ask question. Is it clear? So that your concentration is on what I'm trying to teach you. Is it clear, guys? Next, one of the requirement was to open the browser from the Python. That means if you have some specified URL, how to open the browser from your Python. This is the next second technical question, because this is again a client expectation. So what you people need to do is, in this research phase and the learning phase, you need to list down the way I have done, guys. And this is not a very exhaustive list. This is only a sample list, guys. What you people need to do is, you need to create such a list for yourself. Why? This means once your list is made, what you need to do is now, you need to Google all these questions now, one by one. And then do what? And then read articles. Okay? And then read what? Articles which are relevant to your questions. This is what you need to do in your research and your learning phase. Is it clear, guys? And today's homework is the same thing, guys. What is your homework for today, guys? You need to complete your third step now. That is research and learning phase. The first thing what you need to do is create a list of what? How to do list. Once that list is completed, what you need to do? Then try to Google all your questions and do what? Read all articles. Is it clear? I'll give you one more example. For example, a question came in my mind, how to create map of India in Python or world. Okay. So when I tried to Google it, I got a lot of answers. Okay. But the final article what I saw that to meet the client expectation and his visualization, Dash is the best software we'll be using. Okay. So this is the way you need to Google and get your answers. Similarly, how to show chart and graph in a web page using Python. Okay. When I tried to Google this question also on the internet, I got a lot of articles. When I read all the articles, the answer which came to me was Dash. So for you people also, guys, what you people need to do is, the UI what you need to create we'll be using dash. We won't be using Flask, guys. We won't be using Plotly. Please note, guys, everybody. So the UI will be created using what? A new library that is known as Dash. And I know, guys, you people do not know what Dash is. Okay? So if you don't know Dash, in this document itself, in the last, I have given you a lot of links of videos and the URLs. What you need to do? You need to watch that videos. And what that video teaches you? That video teaches you step by step how to make an application in Dash. Okay? So guys, is this clear now? The step 3, what you need to do today is known as research and learning phase. And once you complete this phase, you would be in a better position to execute your project. Okay? So up till now, we have not started coding for a project. What we are trying to do? We are trying to do some research, some learning, and then we'll be starting our research, then we'll be starting our development phase. Is it clear, guys? So just give me a poll, guys, yes or no. Is the step 3 clear to you? And one point to be noted, in the training classes, I'll be teaching you Dash, don't worry. Okay? A lot of people are saying yes. Good. So Tanish asked me a question, sir, do we need to share the research document with the client or its own purpose? The research document is basically a to-do list, what you need to do. Okay, Tanish, you did not need to share with me, it's not required. It is for your own purpose, guys. Okay, so that you can make a list that what all things you need to learn from internet. Is it clear? Rehan Chaudhary is asking, sir, we need to get the syntax only or execute code? Rehan, I have not yet told you to execute any code up till now. In the learning and the research phase, okay, you just need to Google and read a lot of articles, guys. Okay, and do an enhancement of your knowledge. Tala Mohammed, please ask question which is relevant to what step I am going to discuss with you. Is it okay, Tala? And when I take that portion of thing, you ask your question according to that, Tala. Is it clear? Okay, Tarushi Anand is asking, sir, why are you using Dash? We can use other libraries in Python. Tarushi, after going through all the documents and articles, when I read the articles, I came to a conclusion, Tarushi, that Dash is the best easy to use library to make good visualization. Is it clear, guys? Okay, there are a lot of libraries in the market, guys. Plotly, this Dash library is from a company known as Plotly. There are other libraries also in the market. Okay, but what we came to know is Dash is easy to use, very powerful, and beautiful visualization can be done using Dash. Is it clear, Tarushi? Ishika, Dash is not CSS and HTML. It uses internally HTML and CSS. Is it clear, Ishika? Dash internally uses CSS, HTML, and JavaScript within it. Is it clear? So when I teach you, Ishika, about Dash, it will be very clear to you what exactly Dash is. Okay? So today I am not discussing about Dash. I am only discussing about the solution approach. So my question was, guys, is this step clear to you? If this step is clear to you, I'll move forward then. I'll teach you, Samiksha, how to do that. Okay, Samiksha, I'll teach you how to install Dash also. Now moving to the next step, guys. Now, the next is, once you complete this phase, the research and the learning, okay, we'll be moving forward to the development phase. But guys, I told you, I'll be teaching you a lot of things. Okay, so this step 3 will not end in one day, guys. It will take couple of days. Okay, and once you people are comfortable, when I see that I have taught you enough so that you can start your projects, then only we will start your development phase. And as per the plan, I told you also, the second and the third week is what? For the development phase. So after that, we'll be going into the development phase. In the development phase, we'll be breaking down into 3 steps, guys. Okay. So internally, the step 4, the development phase, has 3 parts, guys. The first is known as backend development. It might be a new word for a lot of people. Okay. Backend development means the code or the Python code what you write to interact with your data is known as your backend development. And the Python code which you write to create your web page is known as a front-end development. Okay. So guys, is this clear? The backend development means what? When we use Python to interact with your CSV file or your data file, that concept is known as a backend development. Okay. And when I use the Python script to create the web page, that concept is known as your front-end development. Okay. So in the development phase, there are basically 2 major development cycles, or you can say parts. Your first is your backend development and second is your front-end development. And it might happen that both the development can start at the same time. So I might every day write some backend code also. I might on the same day write what? Some of the front-end code also. And then what I need to do is, every day I need to do what? Do an integration of both the development code as well as what? The front-end code. And what will happen? When I do a integration, I can see a working application on a daily basis. Is it clear, guys? So this cycle, this 3 cycle, development backend, front-end development and integrated testing, is an iterative process. And this will happen every day, guys. So every day what you will be doing? You will be writing some part of code for backend. You will be writing some part of code for your front end. You will be integrating both the code and running and testing your development every day. Guys, is this clear now? What you will be doing in the development phase? Because I told you yesterday that I'll be using an agile methodology. You remember? I told you we'll be using what? Agile methodology. And agile methodology tells me that every day I want to see a working application with small code integrated with them. So what will happen? On day 1, I'll see a small part of the project. Day 2, there will be some incremental change. Day 3, there will be more changes. Day 4, there will be more changes. And at the last day of the project, what will happen? My project will be in a working condition. Okay. So guys, is this clear? Diksha, is this clear now? Okay. I'll teach you everything, guys. Okay. Somebody asked me what is development environment and what is production environment. Guys, when you people test your application on your PC, that environment is known as development environment. And when your product is ready and you give that product to the client to use, that environment is known as what? Production environment. Is it clear, guys? So this is 2 environments. When you people work on your laptop, that environment is known as development environment. and that environment in which when you give the software to a client, that is known as a production environment. Okay, so we'll be doing a lot of manual testing. There will be no automated testing, Bisoi. Okay, so that's why I told you we'll be doing a manual testing, and manual testing means what? Open your software, put some parameters, click on the button and test. This is what we need to do. Yes, Tanish, this is the way a real world project gets executed. I am trying to give you the same feel, Tanish, to you people. Okay, so once you do a development in the development environment, and once it is ready, you need to push into what? A production environment. Okay, and this concept which I'm trying to teach you, it's a part of that project management training only. You remember I told you PMC? We are doing a PMC, a project management consultancy. This is the part of the same thing. Is it clear, guys? And once, guys, this I told you, these 3 steps are iterative steps. And these 3 steps, the back-end development, the front-end development, and the integrated testing, I will give you 2 weeks to complete that. And once after the 2 weeks are completed, okay, you will be moving forward to the demo, guys. So what I'll do is, I will try to see and test. The first team will do what? See your individual project running. Okay? And this phase is known as internal or client demo. And after this, guys, once I shortlist, I'll be shortlisting one team out of all the people, okay, who has the potential to go to the next phase. Okay, so guys, step 9 onwards is not there for each and everybody. Okay, step 9 is known as a UAT step, which is known as a user acceptance test. That means whatever product you make, the user does a testing himself, not you guys. It is not an integrated testing. It's a testing done by whom? By the client. And this phase is known as a UAT phase, user acceptance test. Okay, and who will be going through the step 9? Only one team out of few people whom we select. And when we select, we'll ask you a question. Are you able to give 4 to 5 hours daily? If you are able to give that time, then only we'll be moving towards you to the step 9, because here this step might take again next 4 weeks. Is it clear, guys? Okay, so for you people, for majority of the people, the project will end where? After the client demo. Okay, but because I want you people to learn the full process, that's why I'm trying to teach you what exactly happens after that. Okay, then after the user accepts your test, the UAT phase, okay, what we need to do is, that step is known as packaging. Okay, and the packaging means what? Packaging means the final production delivery to the client. Okay, so there is some question coming up. Tala Mohammed is saying, sir, will internship letter be given to not qualified people? Yes, Tala Mohammed, those people who goes for the client demo, they all will be issued the internship letter. Okay, so your internship letter completes here. Yes, Ayushi, you are right. Only those people who have paid 1,000 gets a chance to do an internal demo with us. Okay, not everybody. Okay, is it clear, guys? So up till step 8, you need to spend 1 to 2 hours daily other than this meeting. Okay, is it clear, guys? And once you people complete that, you'll be in the position to display or demo this in front of the FOSS team. Is it clear? Anshuman, everybody will be allowed to do step 8. Is it clear? Anshuman, everybody will be allowed to do step 8 if they have paid the internship amount to us. Okay? So when you pay the 1000 rupees to us, you've got two benefits. The first benefit is you'll be getting a letter of internship, and second is you have a chance of demoing with us. Is it clear? No, Sakshi, there is no group selection, something extra certificate. Okay, it's only letter of internship. Is it clear, guys? No, Rian, only one team will be assigned for the maintenance. Okay. So let me complete this document, then I'll take all your questions. Just wait a minute, guys. Okay. After step 10 comes the go live. Okay. So these are the steps which are happening for a real project. Okay. In the real project, we go live with the client. That means go live means the project what you people have made, the actual client starts using it. Okay. And once he starts using it, there comes one more phase which is known as support and maintenance. That means what? When actual client is using your software, he would require a daily support and maintenance. Okay? And once he uses this mechanism of support and maintenance, he increases the efficiency of his software. And then in the last phase comes the future enhancement. So once maybe after 6 months or 1 year, when the client sees that his project is become stable, he'll try to give the future enhancements also. Okay, and then when he gives the future enhancements, again what starts get? The development cycle again starts. So guys, is this full life cycle of a project development clear to you people? Okay, so just give me a feedback, guys. Is this life cycle of a product development clear to you people? At present there is no future enhancement, Sagar. I've only told you, for you people, your scope is till step 8 only. Okay? For you people, it is only step till step 8. You have an opportunity to work up till step 8 only. Okay? Not after that. Ishika, please, there is no teams. I told you yesterday also. There's no teams. At least learn to make a project individually, Ishika. Okay, so now I'm open for questions, guys. You can give questions one by one. I'll answer them. Mohammed Faizan is saying, sir, please do something. Can we watch what phase or we can experience that? That's not possible, Faizan. Okay, it's out of the scope of the current season. Is it clear? Sahil Rahman, only those people who have paid 1000 rupees will be allowed for step 8. Otherwise, we won't be doing an internal or client demo for each and everybody. Is it clear, Sahil? Step 8 will be only for those people who have registered with the amount to us. Is it clear? Salam Mohammed, I'll take it some otherwise, not today. I'm not talking about logging and code modality today. Okay, when I start coding, I'll teach you. Sahil Rahman, I'll request you not to spam here every time. Okay, those people who are spamming will be removed from the list then. If you ask your question once, we'll see in the list. Don't worry. So Sagar is asking, for all these steps only Spider software is enough. Yes, Sagar, for all these steps Spider software is enough. Okay. No, there will be no extra certificate, Jyoti. There's only one certificate. The time will be only one person team will be going there. So certificate is one only. Shruti, there is no procedure to go ahead of step 8. Only one person one team or one person I'll be selecting who has the best demo. He only has the chance to go forward. Is it clear, Shruti? Sahil, I told you step 8 is only if you pay. If you do not pay, you won't be going to the step 8 and neither you will be getting certificate. Is it clear, Sahil? You need to demo your software to get that certificate. Dinesh Rathpur saying, will everyone of us able to post in Medium or only for select? Yes, Dinesh, everybody can post on the Medium. There's no issues. Okay? Because that's a part of your development cycle. After development, you have the 4th week for your documentation. Is it clear, Dinesh? Meghna Janged is saying how to get internship letter. Meghna, once you complete the project and once you have demoed us, you'll get the internship letter. Is it clear, Meghna? Dinesh Rathpur saying where we need to pay. I'll give you the link for paying, Dinesh. Okay, you need to use the Bheem app, the Paytm or PhonePe. You can use any of the app to pay. I'll give you all the details for that. Not today. Shubham, this is a 1 month project season. Okay, it's up to step 8 only. Is it clear? Okay, I'm restating it. This project season 3 is up till step 8 only. Is it clear for everybody? Yes, the internship is going to be for 1 month only. Rihan Chaudhary is saying, will there be a client involvement? Rihan, this document and the requirements have been collected after the client involvement only. Okay. Abdul Razak, we are not recommending to any interns. Sorry for that.
So, guys, in last 2 days, right, Sylvester has taken you to a path where you can see that what is your role and responsibility, right? And I have been part of this session yesterday as well, and today as well. A lot of people, a lot of students are there who are getting a fear that will they be able to complete the project if they do the project individually, and that's why a lot of people are asking for making a team. Guys, let me clearly give this. Working individually would be your advantage. Why? First of all, don't worry. If you are sincerely putting your efforts, if you are disciplined, if you follow the instruction, don't worry. You would be able to create. You will be able to develop your project given time. In certain scenarios, right? If you're not able to complete it within time, we can extend it by 1 more week, right? But you should not take that liberty from the beginning. You should try to finish your activities within the 4 weeks only, right? And that is, you can, I'm pretty much sure, guys, that some of the things would be very, very new to you, even if you are in your final year of your college, because the practical teaching is not there. You have followed waterfall model in your exams. You have written, everything around that, but that is not need nowadays in the industry. People are using agile methodologies. Any startup, any big company, they follow the same process what we are telling you. They may use different tools, that are another question, but the process remains same. So what is my advice? What is my suggestion, guys? Because FOSC team is working as a guide for you, right? If we are working as a guide for you, then don't worry about it that you need team. No, you don't need team for that. You can individually complete this. What is required from your side? Sincerity, a discipline, a motivation, and and you should follow the instructions, and that's it. And that's it, right? And we have taken through all the steps, right? And you have to just complete the project till step 8 only, right? And that would be a huge learning. That would be a huge learning for you, right? जब अपने रिज्यूम में इस प्रोजेक्ट को बताओगे एंड बताओगे कि दिस इज द यूआई यू क्रिएटेड, बताओगे कि that is the a beautiful visualization you have done on the data, right, to the interviewer or to anyone, right? It would be a different story of, for you guys, right? It's not an academic project. ये ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है कि जहाँ पे अटके और अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट ही चेंज कर ली, जैसा कि हर कॉलेज प्रोजेक्ट में आप करते हो। जैसे ही कुछ अटके, एक आध दिन तो ट्राई किया, नेक्स्ट डे सर से जाके बोला सर ये तो हो नहीं रहा, चेंज कर दो, चेंज हो गया। नहीं, दिस इज नॉट the academic project. जहाँ अटकोगे, we are there to help you. We'll help you out in every aspect, and that's why we are meeting you every day. We are spending time with you for that only. सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है, एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर होना चाहिए, that you should trust on the FOSS team that you would be able to complete the project with the FOSS help. Don't worry about it. Whenever you are facing the issues, we are there to help you out. We are keeping a training session for 1 week for that purpose only. जहाँ पे भी लगे कि there is a gray area, there is a weakness, there is a preparedness lack, we are going to teach you those things which are required to complete this project. Don't worry. But whenever you are asked to make a research on internet, please do that. जब भी आपसे बोला जाए कि आर्टिकल पढ़ो, जब भी आपसे बोला जाए कि इस लिंक को रेफर करो, please do that sincerely. And then if you go into that discipline, right, people have given a feedback कि सर प्रोजेक्ट सीजन करने के बाद मुझ में इतना डिसिप्लिन आ गया कि मैं अब अपने आप में खुद से प्रोजेक्ट बना रहा हूँ। इस प्रोजेक्ट को करने के बाद मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट तो आपके गाइडेंस में कर लिया, बट नाउ आई सी द कंप्लीट साइकिल, आई नो द कंप्लीट साइकिल, हाउ टू मेक ए प्रोजेक्ट, सो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स नाउ। और उसमें हम इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, वो अपने लेवल पे खुद कर रहे हैं, और उसके बाद वो टीम भी बना रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग दे आर डूइंग। बट लर्निंग के लिए अभी आपको बोला जा रहा है कि इंडिविजुअल में काम करके देखो एक बार, बाद में टीम में काम करेंगे, पहले हम अपनी कैपेबिलिटी, अपनी पर्सनल कैपेबिलिटीज बढ़ा लेते हैं, राइट? इफ यू हैव इंडिविजुअल अच्छा आप काम कर रहे हो तो बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे तुम्हारे साथ टीम बनाने को, कोई इशू थोड़ी है, राइट? सो दिस इज माई रिकमेंडेशन गाइस, डाउट नहीं करना है, डाउट करोगे तो गए, राइट? सो दैट इज you should have a confidence. क्यों नहीं कर सकते यार? ऐसा क्या है, ये रॉकेट साइंस थोड़ी है, नई चीज है तो नई चीज है, सीख लेंगे, टाइम ही तो चाहिए, तो टाइम देंगे, इसमें क्या क्या इशू है, बट करके रहेंगे। दैट शुड बी द मोटिवेशन। नई चीज तो रोज सीखनी पड़ेगी, आईटी इंडस्ट्री में रोज टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होती है, रोज रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज होती है। यू अब जो नया फैशन आ गया है लर्निंग का, वो 4 साल की लर्निंग नहीं है कॉलेज में, अब तो लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग रहेगी, तभी आप लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल रह सकते हो, अदरवाइज नहीं रहोगे। दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट द लर्निंग इज लाइफ लॉन्ग नाउ। Don't expect that you are out of the college, your learning got stopped. If you think that way, your growth has stopped. That's it, right? So every day till the completion of the project, or every alternate day till the completion of the project, we are there with you. We'll work as a guide for you. So even in the training, even in the development, and even in the closing, a week, that is the 4th week, we are there with you. Don't worry about it. काम करो, जो बताया जा रहा है, काम करो जो instructions दिए जा रहे हैं. People from the south may have issue in understanding my Hindi, but they will get a feel, they will get a sense what I'm trying to convey the masses, right? So इस चीज को आप करिए, डरना नहीं है. अरे यार 500 रुपए 1000 रुपए तो आप ऐसे ही खर्च कर देते हो, क्या बड़ी बात है, राइट? जीन्स लेके आ जाते हो तुम तो 2000 रुपए 3000 में. आप खुद देख लो महीने में कितने ऑर्डर करते हो ऑनलाइन, फ्लिपकार्ट पे, अमेजोन पे, क्या क्या चीजें, ऐसी चीजें जो फालतू की हैं, जो काम ही नहीं आएंगी, राइट? तो कम से कम ये चीज तो ऐसी है जहां पे तुमको लग रहा है कि यार इसका जो रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट 1000 रुपए डालने के बाद अगर मेरी सैलरी 10,000 रुपए ज्यादा हो जाएगी फर्स्ट डे से ही एज ए फ्रेशर, तो क्या बुराई है? इस चीज को जानिए आप. सो इट्स ए इन्वेस्टमेंट. डोंट ट्राई टू थिंक लाइक दैट कि ये आपका खर्चा. दिस इज नॉट, यू आर नॉट स्पेंडिंग द मनी, you are investing the money, guys. You are investing in yourself. An investment in the education is the best investment that people say. I'm not saying like that, people say like that, right? Karthikeyan is saying please speak in English. Sometimes in the flow you just started speaking Hindi only. So that you have to have. अगर डाउट करोगे तो कभी भी नहीं कर पाओगे, right? You will never be able to do it. So this is a kind of a opportunity for you, right? This is the opportunity for you. No company, no one is doing the way we are doing that. This is a project course, the course where we are building a project, right? Where we are building a project. लोग पढ़ा देते हैं, हमारे कोर्सेज दूसरे भी हैं जहाँ पे आप पढ़ लेते हो, असाइनमेंट कर लेते हो, but there is no project in that. This program had designed for that purpose only. You can use this project for your final year, right? If you get a letter of internship from us, we will recommend you on the LinkedIn. And if you are looking for admission in the foreign university, we will give you a LOR, that is called as letter of recommendation. And we do issue a lot of letter of recommendations every year to the students. And after taking admission in foreign university, they come to us and say, sir, your letter was very good. It helped me. Sir, आपने वो जो project बनवाया था, sir, उसकी बहुत तारीफ की interview में, right? उन्होंने बोला कि ये project आपने कब बनाया? तब मैंने बोला कि I was additionally putting efforts. It was not my college, activity. Because when you say it was my additional, activity, they appreciate it. That you are going beyond your academic, boundaries, and you are trying to learn something. So these are the qualities people look for. कि आप अपने comfort zone से बाहर जाके और क्या कर सकते हो? अगर ये चीजें आप बताओगे, then there is a, वही चीजें तो इंटरव्यूअर को पकड़नी है, वही चीजें तो सामने वाले को देखनी है कि आप कितने willing to learn हो, कितने आप चीजों को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो. That is there, right? And people are saying what is the non-disclosure agreement and what is the NDA? वो सिर्फ ये कहने का मतलब है कि जो भी आपको डेटा दिया जाए, जो भी आपको बताया जाए, जो भी आपको ट्रेनिंग दी जाए, जो भी फिलॉसफी आपके साथ डिस्कस की जाए, राइट? प्लीज डोंट शेयर दोज विद द थर्ड पार्टी. आप किसी दूसरे को ना बताएं, राइट? दैट इज द नॉन डिस्क्लोजर एग्रीमेंट. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी कोई प्रॉपर्टी हमने रख ली है, राइट, और अब वो आप किसी को नहीं देंगे. We are not taking anything from you, right? वो कोई mortgage तो आपसे ले नहीं रहे हैं. We are just taking 1,000 rupees. And why you are keeping so much of doubt in that case, right? I don't understand that. This is an opportunity for you guys, right? And just go for this experience. It would be a lifetime experience for you. I can guarantee you this. Let me tell you a story. In the season 2, there was a faculty from the Bangalore who participate into this, right? And she was into teaching for 6-7 years.
And she is there. She is also there today with us in the session.
Okay. So Vinita is there right now. Okay.
Yeah.
वो 6-7 साल से I don't exactly know the years. And now after completing this project, she is so confident that she is trying to move to the industry now. वो इस तरीके का एफर्ट कर रही है कि सर I'm trying to get a move to the industry, टीचिंग से मूव कर रही हूँ बिकॉज इस प्रोजेक्ट के बाद मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आया है, राइट? अब ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हमने कोई मैजिक पिल उनको पिला दी, उन्होंने मेहनत की, उन्होंने कोशिश की, उसका रिजल्ट है, राइट? सो दैट इज देयर गाइस, राइट?
So
So
I think so, sir. Vinita is there. Vinita, can you hear us?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
So I think so. You can share your experience with these people. There are a lot of people in this group who are trying,
Yes, sir.
and if you can see, there's a lot of difference from the earlier season. Here we are spoon feeding and giving time everybody to actually go step by step now.
Right.
That was not the case in season 2.
Right. So, like, from my experience, what I can tell to the students is like, see, as he rightly mentioned, it is a very good opportunity because I have previously worked in industry also. But that time when I am doing a project, everything was new for me. Nobody used to teach like this in college or anywhere else. I couldn't get a tuition like those who teach like how to do a project or how to think about a project or anything, right? Because academic project is much different from an industry project. But the way FOSC is organized is very close to the live project, as the steps mentioned are very true according to a live project or an industry project. And up to 8, if you are getting the chance to do it, you will go through the almost the entire cycle. Okay, only the client interaction part or the production testing part is missing. Up to that you are going through, which is a good opportunity. Okay, but you have to take the time out of your schedule.
Yeah, and I think so. What I think so we have felt is that people are getting afraid of doing it individually, but I think so the way we have made this project season 3, we'll be teaching you a lot of things, guys, and which will actually help you remove that fear from yourself. I think so. There is Ishika is there. One girl is there, Ishika Jain. I was chatting with her yesterday, and she told me, "Sir, I'm afraid that can I do the project individually? I want to do in a group." See, when people try to do in a group, they mean to say that the work will be distributed and the headache will be less to me. That's not the case, guys. Okay, since it's a first project of yours, okay, that's why I mentioned on the Slack also that you people need to do it individually, because we are there as a project guide for you people. We'll be helping you every day. We'll be first week we'll be teaching you, and if you see, we have spent 3 days in making you understand the problem statement, what will be the solution approach, and the wireframe. This is a huge help for you people, guys, and which will make us understand that majority of the people would be in the position to make this project in the end. That is our motto, that after this project season majority of the people have a working project with us. Yes, sir.
yeah, so I think I'm done now, right? I'm done now. So guys, you know, so Rishabh is saying, sir, I have a doubt. If you want to predict something, we will require machine learning algorithm. But yesterday you said we are not going to use machine learning. So, Rishabh, the theme of this season, right, Project 3 is data analytics plus, visualization and finding the insights. And that doesn't require that you should have a knowledge in machine learning. That's not required, right? So as long as you are good into a Python, as long as you know the basics of the pandas and NumPy, and even if you don't know, we have a training program for you, right? Obviously, we will teach those things only which are required, specifically required for this project completion, right? But machine learning is not the need for this project. बहुत सारे लोगों का ये सवाल रहा है कि सर मशीन लर्निंग नहीं आती है तो भी क्या हम ये प्रोजेक्ट कर पाएंगे? You will be able to do that. Yes, future में कुछ आपको इसमें you want to add one more feature, or and that feature may require machine learning, that you can do after learning machine learning. You can extend this project after 6 months at your own, right? जरूरी थोड़ी यही project है, इसी को आगे और आप extend कर सकते हो. There can be incremental changes. So Rishabh,
that is the story. So as of now, you don't need ML to start with because focus is on analytics and visualization.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I'll take questions. There are a lot of questions on my chat. Let me take one by one. Guys, be patient. Okay, there are 86 questions on my chat window. Okay, so it will take time for me to reply to each and everyone. But I'll make a point that I don't miss anybody. Okay, and also request you people not to spam my chat. Okay, once you have put a question on my chat, okay, I take it line by line, one by one. Be patient because there are around 90 questions on my chat at present. It will take from my side to answer each and every one. Okay, so let me start now. So Hemant Bhawane is asking, sir, after pay we can watch what happens this pay. I don't understand what you're saying, Hemant. Sandhya is saying, till which step can we get through if you don't pay? Guys, if you don't pay, you can be part of the system in the development life cycle. You can do a documentation of the last, no issues in that. Only what will be missing is that we won't be able to take a client a demo of yours. That is the only missing point, guys. Is it clear, Sanandya? Okay, that when you people don't pay, you will not get the internship letter. And second is you won't get an opportunity to present your demo in front of us. That is the two missing things if you don't pay. Okay. Next is Nafis Alam is asking which backend tool we will be using. Nafis Alam will be using Dash to do the development. Okay. I'll explain you when we start the coding by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. Diksha Sharma is asking after step 8, other step we will do. Diksha, you won't be, this season is up to the step 8. I think so. We have told this multiple times now. It should be very clear to everybody. The scope of this season 3 is up to step 8. Is it clear, guys? I think so. Rishabh, your question, even this is already answered. Yes, Nisarga, your project will be done after step 7. It's only demo which is there in step 8. Okay, and we'll make a point that people who either pay or do not pay will help you in the process till 7th step. Okay, we'll help you each and everybody in the development life cycle. Okay, maybe in the form of teaching, maybe in the form of guidance. Okay, maybe sharing some steps of or sharing some code snippet. We'll do that our part. Okay, is it clear, Nisarg? Mantas Gupta is asking, sir, if by any chance we are not able to attend the daily class, then what we can watch the video again? Antas, I would request that you people need to be every day present in the class. The reason for that is, I'll give you a clarity to everybody, guys. The first week when we are teaching you, okay, you need to be attentive in the class because we are delivering something. But in the next 2 weeks of the development cycle, our role will change. So we won't be teaching you, but what we'll be doing is, we'll be acting as a project guide to you people. So the 1 hour every day will be meeting, okay? And in the meeting, what we'll be discussing is your problems, and we'll be giving you directions for that. Is it clear? Okay. So at that point, the videos are irrelevant. Okay. When we are teaching you, that videos are important, and we are sharing that on a daily basis with you people. Task. Is it okay? Talha Mohammed saying, sir, does qualifying team gets a recommendation letter? Talha Mohammed, there is only one letter which I will be issuing. Okay, that is the internship letter. Is it clear? What Yogendra sir mentioned is, those people who get an internship letter, lot of people in the past who goes to international universities, okay, they ask us for a recommendation letter or a LOR, and we have been issuing them. Is it okay? But before that, they have done a lot of projects with us, and if you have done a good project with us, we can also recommend you. Tala Mohammed, is this clear? Mohammed Faizan is saying, sir, we joined that phase only to watch that selected team. Sir, please, sir, I'll be. Mohammed, you'll be a part. You can watch, no issues. You can be a you can watch the internal demos. There's no issues. Okay. Prisha Jain is saying, sir, does the required training will be provided for development step? Yes, Prisha, you are right. The training what you provide, what we provide, will be helpful for you in your development phase. I'll help you and handhold guys in starting your project, because I know when people or students are doing the project for the first time, it's become very difficult for them, and we'll be helping each and everybody to start their project. Is it okay, Prisha? Sakshi is saying, sir, is it fine to pay fees after development? No, Sakshi. Okay. That decision you need to take after the training, whether you want to continue in the development phase or no. And if you want to do that and be a part of the internship thing, you need to pay at that time. Okay. Meghna is asking how we get internship letter. You'll get an e-internship letter. We've already shared the format with you. Okay. And we'll send it via email. P. Lognathan is saying these step 13 are same as other projects. Yes, you are right, Lognathan. These steps are the same steps which is used in the industry. Okay. Sagar, I told you I'll be sharing you within a day or two the link for payment, then you can do that. Okay. Biki Day saying, sir, what tool we using for HTML? We'll be using Dash Biki Day. Sangeeta is saying, sir, because of some reason I cannot join today's session, so can you please send today's recording of 9 to 10 session? Sangeeta, the recordings will be available on your Slack. Okay, if you are there, I'll be sending all the information on Slack only. Tavish is saying, sir, the UAT phase will be the FOSS team. Yes, the UAT team will be with the FOSS only. Okay. Rahul is asking any special recognition for the people who will be going above step 8. Okay, they'll get an opportunity to work more on that. That's the only opportunity, Rahul. Okay. Diksha, I didn't get your questions about internship. Talha Mohammed is saying, what is the purpose of Slack being used? Talha Mohammed, Slack is being used in the industry whenever multiple people are working on a project. We do not use WhatsApp, guys. Okay, I'm giving you clarity. Whenever anybody is working on a project, the project communication is done on Slack, not on WhatsApp. Is it clear? WhatsApp is for your fun chatting. It's not for some serious project chatting, guys. Tanish, sir, why does a client require the source code if it is interview? Tanish, it's always a requirement from the client that we need to submit the source code to him. Okay, it's a industry standards, because we made the source code from him. We need to submit everything to the client. Okay, because it might happen the future thing. It might happen that the future enhancement. Okay, the other things he can do from some other company also. That's why we need to give the source code. Is it clear? Tanish? Nisarg is saying, sir, I am new, I am just learned my course, sir. I have fear I do not complete the project. Nisarg, okay, first of all, sir has explained you very well. Your 1,000 rupees is not the waste. You'll be learning a lot of things. Okay, if you don't complete the project in time, and we see a lot of people are there, we might extend for few days more. Okay, that's not the case. Sir, is it clear? Ishika, we have shared you the CSV file. You have to use that only. You do not need to collect more. Sagar, the session. If you don't have any question, you can leave the session. No issues. It's for everybody. Those people who don't have any question can leave. Ishika, I'll teach you. Don't worry. I've also provided the links in the video. If you see here, I have given you a resources to learn for this project. You can use these references also. No, Rupayan, we won't be paying you for any deliveries. Okay. This project season is for your learning, and we are helping you in that. Sahil Rahman is saying, she's saying, I'm looking forward for further studies in Germany. I really require a LOR from FOSS. I'll try my best to achieve this. Please give me one. Sahil, if you are complete the project in time, you get an internship from us, we'll be issuing you a LOR. Don't worry. Okay. Prisha, if you are stuck in between the project, you need to solve your own bugs first of all. I'll be very clear in that. Okay. But everyday step will be clearing you. That means we'll be teaching you that what needs to be done in the learning phase. Once that is complete, okay, we'll be defining you what step you need to do on the second day. Like that, we'll be breaking the project into small parts. Is it clear, Sakshi? Prisha? Sakshi will be most probably by tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll be starting the coding. Yes, Bikide, you are right. Yes, Diksha, the steps from 9 to 13 are handled by us, by our internal team. Somebody asked me, Shakti, saying, how much time we should give for project daily? 1 to 2 hours, Shakti. I think so everybody can, apart from the 1 hour what we spend on the meetings, apart from that, you need to spend 1 to 2 hours every day. Diksha, I've already shared all the URLs to you. Please go to that and see the drive, no? Diksha, I've already shared all the URLs with you. I've shared all the documents. Please go to that URL and see. Surya is saying, is Dash framework included in Anaconda or we have to download? You have to download and I'll teach you how to download that, Surya. Razak, you can see the videos, no issues, but I'll recommend you focus, if you are focusing on the project, focus on the project. So guys, I think so I've taken all the questions. No, Ishika, we won't be linking Visual Studio and Spider. Both are different IDEs. Okay. Rihan, you will be sharing your screen and presenting the demo to us from your laptop itself. Demo means we need to see how your project is working, the UI what you have made. Ashutosh, we are not giving any project for this internship. You need to make your own project. We are guiding you and helping you, Ashutosh. We are not selling any project here, Ashutosh. Is it clear, Ashutosh? You have to make your own project. We'll be going step by step to doing that. Ishika, which insights images you are going to asking? I've not discussed any insight images till now. Ishika, I have not shared any information about insights images to you. Please put up, Ishika, please put up those questions which is relevant what we are discussing in the session. Okay? When time comes, I'll discuss everything. No, Rupayan, you don't have to start on the UI. I'll tell you how to start on the project. Everybody, is it clear? Yes, yes, Ashutosh, it will be a Python script, the software. Razak, I'll request you, please keep your questions which is related to project season 3. Other questions you can ask on a WhatsApp to Surinder. Guys, if you don't have any questions, I'll end the meeting then. Just give me a confirmation, yes or no. Should I end the meeting now if you don't have any questions? Okay, Diksha. Okay, guys. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow, same time. No, Ramu, you don't need much of data. Zoom uses very less data. Good night, Archie. Then Ramu, what you're saying, which use internet? No, because all the files you have downloaded, Ramu, you don't require internet. It's only the setting up your dash will require internet, not after that. Thank you, Prisha. Okay, bye, good night.